Good morning, students. So, how are you? Fine? Very good. I am also fine. So, today I am going to teach you subject English. But before this, tell me what is date today. Today is 16th July 2020. 16/7/2020. What is day today? Today is Thursday. What is day today? Today is Thursday. Now, your subject is English, day 10th. Now, today I will tell you about letter. Tell me, which letter is this? Letter N. N for nest. N for nest. Now, I will show you some more pictures related to letter N. N for, tell me, what is this? Newspaper. N for newspaper. N for nurse. N for nurse. Who is nurse? Do you know that? She is our helper. When we get sick, she helps us. N for number 9. N for number 9. N for nose. N for neck. N for net. Right? Now, this is letter N. Letter N. So, how you will do the air dressing? First, show me your two fingers. Do like this. Standing line. Good. Now again go there. Slanting line. And now go up. Like this. Letter N. Now look carefully here. This. This. And then you have to go up. Like this. N. Again I am going to show you. Look carefully. This. This. And then this. So in this way you have to write letter N. Now look carefully here. This is your dot where you have to put your pencil. Draw a standing line. Right? Again. Come on. You have to put your pencil on dot. Slanting line. And then go again upward. Standing line. Letter N. Now look carefully. Standing line. Again put your pencil. Slanting line. Now go upward. Standing line. Letter N. Letter N. So this letter N you have to write in these three lines. Okay. Now I will tell you how you have to write letter N in your English notebook. Let's start. This is your English notebook. In your English notebook, first you have to write down the date. N. Do you know what is this? N for necklace. N for necklace. You can draw any picture related to letter N. Now I will tell you how you have to write letter N. Put your pencil on dot. Draw a standing line like this. Again put your pencil on dot. Slanting line and then go upward standing line. In this way you have to write letter N. Letter N. And first you have to finish this page and then you have to finish this page. Right? Take help of your parents while doing this work, and also you have to do color in the picture. Now I will show you how you have to complete the page given in your English book. So students, look here. Finger trace the letter N and color it. You have to take your finger, trace here like this, and then go up. Letter N. After that you have to do color in letter N. N for nose, N for nest, N for nail. N for nuts. Do you like to eat nuts? Yes. N for what? Tell me. Is there any more picture? No. N for number 9. Right? Okay. Now, come. Cross the object that does not begin with an N sound. This is nest, this is name, this is socks, and this is nose. You have to cross the object that does not begin with letter N. Now come to this page. Circle the objects that begin with letter N. This work also you have to do with the help of your parents. And this, color the letter N green and M red. So in this page here we can see letter N and letter M. So we have to do green color in letter N and we have to do red color where the letter M is written. So in this way you have to complete these 2 pages. Click the photograph of these pages and send it to me. Thank you.